Hey guys, today, let's learn how to edit texts on your Instagram Reels. So if you guys have already uploaded Instagram Reels on your Instagram application, and you want to go ahead and edit the text, all we need to do to make some changes on here is to go ahead and firstly, launch the Instagram application. Now I want you to proceed with logging into your preferred accounts. And once we are already on our preferred account, you could actually now proceed with choosing the preferred reel. Then we want to go ahead and edit the text of. Now if you want to go ahead and edit the text of the caption of your Instagram reel, this is actually, well, possible. And all we need to do is choose a specific reel, and then tap on this three dots icon. Tap on the edit option. And then of course, the option for us to edit the text is right here. So you now make some changes on here, whatever one we'd like. And once we're happy, just tap on done. It'll automatically be saved. And now you have successfully edited the text on that Instagram reel. As all for this video, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.